Good morning, students. Today, our Arduino project is multiple tones with one piezo buzzer. In this lesson, you will learn about the circuit and its basic. What is Arduino Uno? Arduino is an open source physical computing platform designed to make experimenting with electronics more fun, and Arduino has its own unique simplified programming language which is called embedded C. This is Arduino board. As you can see on the one, you can connect your USB cable to burn the program, and this two, from here you will connect your adapter. This is the IC in which your program will be burned. These are the number of pins. Here is analog pin. Here is 1 to 13 pins. In this lesson you will learn how to use a buzzer. Specification of the components you required in this project: one Arduino Uno, one USB cable, one buzzer, one breadboard, two jumper cable. Principle of this project is the working principle of buzzer it to use PWM generating audio to make the air to vibrate. What is PWM? Pulse width modulation. It can generate different sound. For example, sending a pulse of 523 Hz, it can generate pulse of 587 Hz. It can generate mid-range pulse of 659 Hz. By the buzzer, you can play a song. We should be careful not using the Uno board analog write function to generate a pulse to the buzzer because the pulse of output of analog write is fixed 500 Hz. What is LED? LED is an abbreviation of light emitting diode. It is usually made of gallium arsenide, gallium phosphate, semiconductor material. The LED has two electrodes. One is anode, second is cathode. Anode is positive and cathode is negative. You can use this LED on the place of buzzer if you are feeling uncomfortable with the buzzer. You can check with the LED. This is our circuit of our project. This is buzzer. This is Arduino board. As you can see, the buzzer red pin is for for getting signal, and this black is for ground. This is the program which we will use in this circuit: constant integer, buzzer 8, void setup and void loop. In void setup you will define the buzzer output, and void loop you will define its function: tone, buzzer, and 1000, delay 1000. No tone buzzer, delay 1000. This 1000 is 1 second. Okay, thank you.